All right, all right. We are live. Athletic Robots. Back at you one more again. Looks like tonight we're doing the Cello box of 2020 Prizm football. So, got on a little early, just to shoot the breeze and such. But, Hey. Welcome back for Prizm football, everybody. So we'll get started a little bit after 10 Central Standard Time. Right now we're on just a few minutes early, so just to kind of whatevs, chat and so forth. So all the teams are paid. Everybody's in it to win it, so we're all good to go, ready to rock and roll. Hey, Brian. Brian's on to hear those gloves snap, amongst other things. Who's your squad, Brian? I know you guys live near St. Louis, right? But there's no football team there anymore. Are you a Chiefs fan? Football-wise? I don't know if you recall either, Brian, but my cousin David, he might go by Dave now, I suppose. But he was in the high school football championship there, the state championship for Missouri. We went to that game. That was cool. They had a running back that was really good. I forget his name, but he was domination. Anyways, back for more football cards this evening. Been opening my fair share of cards as well. Opened some NBA draft cards, Prizm, earlier today. That was cool. Got a bunch of Anthony Edwards and LaMelo and Wisemans. What's up, Matt? How's it going? So here in a couple minutes, I'll read off the starting lineup and then we'll jump on in. But what you're looking at here, guys, of course, is the, I don't know, probably the most popular, popularity-wise, set. This is Prizm Football 2020, NFL. There's some cool sets out there, like Obsidian. I don't want to say one is cooler than the other, but the cards themselves from Obsidian are hard to beat. But Prizm cards are top of the line for sure. So I am excited to pull some special magic. I do look forward to that. Last night we did 6 blasters, so if you guys are interested, check out the YouTube channel where we opened 6 blasters. That was kind of cool. Excuse me. All right, but 10 o'clock, p.m. Central Standard Time. So we're about to get cracking. I like to just give a couple minutes because most of the time I'll get somebody joining on in right about now. So, and then we'll jump on in, guys. So usually these Cello boxes take about an hour. So, if you're not down with the slow pace of the special gifted slowness of myself, live, definitely get back at the YouTube video later on. I'll upload it afterwards, and then you can just skip to the end where I, watch the whole thing at your pace. But at the end, I'll review all the hits. So whatever works. But it is what it is. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Let's refresh the laptop just to see if there's any last minute requests. And then we'll just jump on in then, shall we? Alright, cool. So I don't see any action. So let's do this starting lineup then, shall we? Like always, after I get done with the lineup, I do always encourage, commenting what teams you've got, what players you're looking for. Some of you guys get real crazy and, request specific cards, which is always awesome. Excuse me. But here we go with the starting lineup. We got the Cardinals, Bills, and Packers for Michael H. Ravens, Lions, and Rams for Jesus C. Falcons, Bears, Jets for Sean B. Panthers, Giants, Eagles, Aaron G. Cowboys, Broncos, Steelers, Bucks, Christopher G. Niners, Washington, Wayne P. Texans, Pats, Saints, Seahawks, Tamid R. Titans, Brandon R. Vikings, Chris C. Dolphins, Joseph R. Chargers, Jacob P. Raiders, Brandon E. Chiefs, Kevin F. Jaguars, Chris R. Colts, Brian M. Browns, Kyle A. And Bengals, David M. All right. I am excited about this. I do love the look of the red, white, and blue Prizm, which is what we're going to see out of the Cello. So let me go ahead and get these gloves on for surgery. I go with the nitrile powder free. I do like the grip that it provides on the cards and the lack of fingerprints. So it's a little different, obviously, but I get cards graded, and fingerprints are generally removable, but if you get somebody who's, excuse me, box number 32301, if you get somebody who's got some really greasy fingers, maybe they were eating some gizzards or something disgusting like that, empty bags, I don't think, it's real hard at least to get fingerprints off sometimes. But regardless, it's just preferable, obviously, to never have that fingerprint on there. So for those of you who have never watched me open a Cello, do it a little different than most breakers because most breakers must really want arthritis. I go ahead and give it a little snipper. Excuse me. Let's get up in pack number 1. Cello number 1. Best of luck. Andre Johnson, Texans. Mark Ingram, Ravens. Keelan Cole, Jaguars. Darius Slayton, Giants. Sammy Watkins, Chiefs. Terry McLaurin, Washington. Aaron Donald, Rams. He good. Sean Alexander, Hacks. O.J. Howard, Bucks. We got a green fireworks, Bobby Wagner, Hawks. That's a cool card right there, kids. Look at that. That's sweet. Not numbered. Excuse me. And hey. Little something for Miami. Yeah. Oh, hey, it's a Tua Tagovailoa. Emergent Roker on the fence. Get it. Nice hit, Miami. And Jake Fromm on the Bills. Roker, Ake DePerder. There we go. What was that? Pack number 1? I can't even count that high. Congratulations, just right out the gate. Gonna go ahead and get a little spicer this evening. There we go. All right, sweet. Seahawks got that Bobby Wagner fireworks card too. That was kind of cool. Not sure of the market value, but I heard at least that the greens and the blues are SSPs, right? Something like that. And they have a print run of like 7, is what somebody said last night. I did not confirm that. But if any Prizm expert is on the chat, jump on in. But yeah, needless to say, it's a not common card. So here we go with the red, white, and blues. We got Quinnen Williams, Jets. Dexter Lawrence, Giants. And DeAndre Swift, Lions. Get it. Sweet. Red, white, and blue Prizms. The refractor in the background is just amazing. Quality control this year on Prizm is looking real good. I mean, centering is a is a concern that I've noticed, but otherwise they are looking pretty razor sharp. Surfaces are looking clean. So I'm liking Prizm. So far so good, kids. Let's bust on into Cello number 2. Thought you knew. Little snippy snipper. Mm-hmm. 100% with the wrappers to garbage percentage. Here we go with Josh Allen on the Jaguars. Ken Anderson, Bengals. Mike Gesicki, Fins. I swear that's the same image as his mosaic card, I'm pretty sure. Adrian Peterson, Washington. There you go. Max Crosby, Raiders. Kyle Fuller, Bears. Devin White, Bucks. Kyle Rudolph, Vikes. Tyler Higbee, Rams. And here we go with a green Prizm, Kenny Clark, Packers. Hey, Tuck. Not numbered. How's it going? Debo Samuel, hype card for the Niners. Get it. And a Washington rookie, Antonio Gandy Golden. All right. Mike Tuck is so cool that when he was a teacher and coach, we just called him Tuck. So it wasn't like he was like, Mr. Tuck, or excuse me, Mr. Tuck. Somebody said that to him and be like, hey, look, just call me Tuck. Leonard Fournette, Jags. Eric Armstead, Niners. And Josiah DeGuara, Packers, rookie on the red, white, and blue. Thought you knew. But yeah, of course, Tuck was my high school teacher and coach for basketball and flag football. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Flag football in high school was a thing. I don't know if it still is. I would imagine it still is. But haven't checked out the flag football scene lately. But that was fun, though, that's for sure. Oh, here we go, Niners. Got a little surprise for you at the end of this pack. Stay tuned. Got a Bruce Smith, Bills. James Conner, Steelers. Devin McCourty, Pats. Anthony Miller, Da Bears. Antonio Gates. There you go, Chargers. That's cool. He was not in Mosaic, I don't believe. Kevin Byard, Titans. Barry Sanders, Lions. There you go. Rondé Barber, Bucks. Daniil Hunter, Vikes. And here we go with another green prism. This is a Roker, Darrington Evans, Titans. Not numbered. And we got a Ryan Tannehill, Brilliance, Titans. Not numbered. And here we go with Ayuk. Brandon Ayuk on the Niners. Base of Roker. Get it, get it. There we go. I said Niners. We didn't see a Ayuk last night. And we didn't see a Niner in the entire Obsidian case. So it is nice to see the Niners get back in action. In the Cello breaks of Mosaic that you can catch on my YouTube channel, we pulled an Ayuk auto, rookie scripts auto. That was cool. All right, and here we go with the red, white, and blues. A little bit of Malcolm Butler, Titans. Alvin Kamara, Saints. There you go, Saints. And Van Jefferson, Rams, Roker. All right. Next cello. Here we go. Jump right on in. Little sniffer. Okay. All right. Here we go with Teddy Bruschi, Pats. T.Y. Hilton, Colts. Miles Boykin, Ravens. Malcolm Butler, Titans. Dexter Lawrence, Giants. Travis Kelce, Chiefs. Anthony Barr, Vikes. Jalen, Rams. That is the same image that he uses in Mosaic as well. Curtis Samuel, Panthers. And here we go with a Roker, green, emergent. Jacob Eason, Colts Roker. Sweet. The Vikes got a go hard or go home Dalvin Cook. He's got a couple muscles. That's cool. That's a sweet card. And here we go with Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Roker on the Chiefs. Sweet. Can't wait to see him come back. Ake Departer. However, on the Chiefs, he's kind of buried in their lineup, isn't he? It's like crazy. I think, though, he's a featured back on another team. Is kind of how I see that going. But if they got rid of some of the other running backs, then he could be the featured back on the Chiefs. I mean, I don't see why not, but he is a rookie, I suppose. But man, in his prime, he was doing really good. So here we go with the red, white, and blues. Joe Namath, Jets. Tyrell Williams, Raiders. And AJ Terrell, Falcons, O'Rourke. Here we go, Falcons. So, I don't know much about this guy, but I hear he good. So there you go, Falcons. Excuse me. Let's jump on into the next cello. Little snipper. All right, Devin Bush II, Steelers. Willie McGinnis, Pats. Geno Atkins, Bengals. Justin Simmons, Broncos. Brandon Graham, Eagles. Derek Carr, Raiders. Grady Jarrett, Falcons. Eric Armstead, Niners. Alvin Kamara, Saints. And here we go, Browns. Got you a green prism of Baker Mayfield. Sweet. Tremaine Edmonds, Bills, Unstoppable. And Jalen Hurts, Eagles, Roker. Here we go, Eagles. All right. Sweet. Number 343, Becky DePerdu. All right. That's a winner. So we got a Tua and a Hurts so far. Let's try to get us a Herbert and a Burrow, shall we? Obviously, I would also like the Justin Jefferson. For those of you who don't know, that's my favorite player to collect, for sure. For my son, of course. Dan Marino, Fins. Michael Gallup, Boys. And Keyshawn Vaughn, Bucks, O'Rourke. Those are the red, white, and blues. He did decent the other day or something, didn't he? Vaughn. Other than that, I believe he was the third string running back for the Bucks. But of course, he's a rookie, so any point in time, he could step on up. All right, here we go. Josh Allen, Bills. There you go, Bills. Sweet. Devontae Parker, Fins. Deontay Johnson, Steelers. Tyrell Williams, Raiders. Akeem Hicks, Bears. Michael Gallup, Boys. Jared Cook, Saints. Devontae Adams, Packers. Fitzy, Cardinals. And the Cowboys got a grand prism of Dak Prescott. What's he got? The sleep number commercials? He's good at sleeping. And fireworks card of Josh Allen on the Bills. Sweet. Man, that's a cool card. Any Bills fan will be loving this bad boy. So, nice hit. And Anthony Jennings, Pat's Roker. Seems like and I didn't do very much research on this, but it does appear, obviously, as if we're getting a green every cello. It probably says that on there. But anyways, here we go with the red, white, and blues. Let's get a little something. Akeem Hicks, Bears. Grady Jarrett, Falcons. And Juan Jennings, Niners. don't think I've ever heard of that guy. No, I've never heard of that guy. Here we go with a little snip. Get up in these next Cello. I believe, yeah, that was the first half of the box. So that was the first 6 Cellos. I believe, yeah, this is Cello number 7. So, actually, before I bust into this, give me just a moment and I'm going to secure the cards. The cards from the first half that I've set aside here. Man, these are cool cards. I love how they made cards shiny. I don't know if I'm like a deer in headlights type person, but here we go. Good little spice here. Sam Darnold, Jets. Phillip Rivers, Colts. Marlon Humphrey, Ravens. Eddie Jackson, Bears. Blake Jerwin, Cowboys. Brian Dawkins, Eagles. Jared Goff, Rams. Keith Brooking, Falcons. Kyle Juszczyk, Niners. And here we go with an upside down little something. Bradley Chubb, Broncos, Silver Prizm. Oh yeah, that's what it says. You get 1 silver or green, I believe it is, per Cello. And here we go, Bengals. Got you on the board with a T. Higgins. Emergent Rooker. Sweet. Nice hit for the Bengals. Get it. And get it. Three good cards in a row. We got Jerry Jeudy on the Broncos. There we go, Broncos. A Rooker. Getting a little spice there. Kitty Purdy. Anyone who's on the live broadcast who wants these kid reporter cards, so if you have a kid, I believe it's under 13, something like that, between 7 and 13, I think it says. And you would like the kid reporter cards, if you just want them, I don't, care if you have kids. Just let me know and I'll send them to you for free in your package of cards. Because you're going to get 82,100 cards and they're all going to be the hits. So we do what we got to do. I am finding Prizm to be tougher than Mosaic regarding pulling the hits. Straight up, I mean, Prizm is tougher. It's so far, at least, as compared to Mosaic. So, let's get some hits. Jamal Adams, Hacks. Now he is in the Jets uniform, but the team label is Seahawks, so that goes to the Hawks. Jason Pierre-Paul, Bucks. Hey, Josh, how's it going? Local. Represent Central City. And we got Javon Kinlaw, Niners, Rooker, red, white, and blue. There you go, Niners. Niners are doing all right this evening, so nice to see that. There we go, a little snippy. Here we go with Justin Tucker, Ravens, Devin Singletary, Bills, Austin Hooper, Browns, Cortland Sutton, Broncos, Hunter Renfrow, Raiders, Khalil Mack, Bears. Yeah, get some of that. Joe Montana, Niners, Traquan Smith, Saints. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. He good. And here we go, Bucks. Get it. Getting a little spicer with the GOAT, Tom Brady. Grand Prizm, sweet. Not numbered. And fireworks card for Daniil Hunter on the Vikes. There you go, Vikes. I'll work on my lighting so that I can show off the coolness of that card. And Raekwon Davis, Dolphins, Roker. Look at that guy's muscles. Holy cow. Could they have got a better picture of his muscles? I mean, I'm gonna need a better picture of this guy's muscles. So, wow, Raekwon Davis, Dolphins. By the look of him, he should be the best player in the NFL. I mean, I don't know. But nice hit for the Bucks. As we all know, Tom Brady in the Bucks uniform for the first year, an instant collectible. Obviously, 20 years down the road, you're going to be like, yeah, that's definitely a moment to remember. A thing to remember. Ricky Williams, Finns, Taysom Hill, Saints, and Willie Gay Jr., Chiefs, Roker, red, white, and blue. Thought you knew? All right. Here we go with the next Cello. Little snipper. I am currently 100% with my packs to garbage percentage. I do practice in the off season. So, I mean, know what I'm saying? Here we go with Baker Mayfield, Browns, Kalen Ballage, Dolphins, TJ Watt, Steelers, McCole Hardman Jr., Chiefs, Bryce Love, Washington, Keelan Doss, Raiders, Teddy Bridgewater, Panthers, Tyler Lockett, Hawks, Dalvin Cook, Vikes. Oh, here we go. Dolphins stealing all the fun. Getting a little spicer. Oh, yeah. A little something. Tua Tagovailoa, Grand Prizm for the Fins. And hey, TJ. TJ, right when you joined, was the Tua Tagovailoa Green Prizm for the Fins. And then we got Kenny Galladay Lions, Brilliance card. And James Morgan Jets, Rocker. Sweetness, there we go with the Tua. I like it when they come on out to play. They can't hide forever. Well, they can hide for this break, I suppose, but not forever, you know what I'm saying? Darius Slayton, Giants, Jelani Tavai, Lions, Tavai, Quez Watkins, Eagles, Roker, red, white, and blue. Quite a few rookies in this set, in addition to the ones in Mosaic, but possibly the same amount just with different ones. But it seems like there's more rookies in this set than Mosaic. So without doing any research, that's just kind of my observation. I've done research, I just can't recall, I suppose I should say. Cameron Hayward, Steelers. Jamison Crowder, Jets. Marlon Mack, Colts. Charles Woodson, Raiders. Jim McMahon. Da Bears. Haha, that's a cool card. That's funny. DeMarcus Lawrence, boys. Ricky Jackson, Saints. Josh Reynolds, Rams. Here we go with the wrong armor. Michael Vick, Falcons. And Seahawks got you a green brilliance card of Tyler Lockett. Not numbered. That's sweet. And here we go, Eagles back on the board. Yeah. I don't know if you heard the bombs exploding and missiles shooting in the air, but that's a Jalen Hurts emergent rocker for the Eagles. Get it. Sweet. And here we go with Washington, Antonio Gibson, rocker. There we go. Okay, departed. Awesome. He good. I know that. And man, we went a whole case of Obsidian without getting any Eagles. Well, without getting Jalen Hurts, that's for sure. So it is nice to see Hurts come on back out. We didn't get a Hurts last night either in the blasters. So, it's good to see. All right, so here we go with the red, white, and blues. Let's get up into this red, white, and blues. Antonio Gates, Chargers. Richard Sherman, Niners. And here we go, Raiders. Got a Henry Ruggs III, red, white, and blue. Get it. Sweet. Raiders rocker. All right. His name's so good they did it 3 times. Know what I'm saying? Better sleeve him up. Getting a little spicy. All right. Down to the last 2 cellos. Hold your breath. Now hold your breath. Not really. But whatevs. I have not seen anyone comment on this video. That is a first. I don't believe there has been any comments on this video. There's no comments on this video. Hey, you should go on my video and comment. Nobody's commenting on my video. You should go on there and say, hello, there's a comment. You know what I'm saying? It's like, nobody said a single thing. There's not been a comment. I wonder if my video is working or what's the deal. Here we go. Continuing on, because it does say I'm live, and it says that 13 humans are watching. Usually people say things, though, but Paris Campbell, Colts. Mark Andrews, Ravens. Miles Jack, Jaguars. Amari Cooper, Boys. Rashawn Evans, Titans. Dalvin Tomlinson, Giants. Christian Kirk, Cardinals. Harrison Smith, Vikes. Greg Zerline, Boys. Miles Jack, one more again for the Jaguars. You got a Grang. And Austin Eckler, hype card for the Chargers. And here we go, Vikes. Yeah! It says TJ's watching. Scroll down. Right there. Sweet. Here we go, Vikes. Here we go. It says TJ's watching. Justin Jefferson, Vikings, rocker. Oh. Oh, weird. That's funny. I just can't see any comments. Usually I can see the comments. Okay, Deperder. I'll have to see what's up with that. That's strange. I don't know why it's doing that. Huh. Oh yeah, sorry, I haven't been ignoring everybody on purpose. I just didn't know there was any comments. I do apologize. I did think it was weird. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. Wow, there's like 82 comments. Okay. I do apologize. All right, Chris, you're looking for LaVisca. Man, better late than never. Holy cow. Ravens, Lions, and Rams, Jesus. Man, I don't know what you might have missed, but no Cam Akers. I do apologize. So far, at least. Mikey's on looking at the Niners. What's up, Mikey? Mikey's done with Obsidian, right? Or was it? Yeah, it was Obsidian, right? Oh, Jacob wants Herbert. Man, we pulled a Herbert last night. I will do my best. I was watching some football. Yeah, not today, though, I don't think. Today I was watching college basketball. Hey, Andrea, how's it going? Jerry, how's it going? Obviously, I'm slow for the gifted here. There's my wife. How's it going, Jackie? Okay, all right. I've been on there for like 3 minutes. I'm just a little slow for the gifted. A little specialness. Specialness. I don't know what's up with that. I'll need to check. It's never not shown me the comments on my phone, so I don't know. But yeah, I do apologize, guys. I probably thought I was ignoring you. But I didn't mean to do that. You know what I'm saying? Deshaun Watson. Here we go. Texans. Got a red, white, and blue. Look at the guy in the background. He's like a ghost. He's like a hologram. Ooh! Ah! Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. But that's the coolest thing today. Texans. Deshaun Watson. We go. Oh yeah. Kevin Baird, Titans, and Thaddeus Moss, a Washington Rooker. Is this Randy Moss's son? Isn't it? I think it is. I don't know. Sweet. Sleeve up these couple cards here. I can't believe I didn't see the comments. I don't know what's up with that. That's frustrating. I'll need to work on my technology skills. But that's also why I usually have my laptop next to me so that I don't look so special. And the public. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. The cards still fall where they fall, don't they? So here we go with the last Cello. It's Randy Moss's kid. Cool, Jerry, thank you. I always ask dumb questions like that, and rarely do I actually have someone answer me, so I do appreciate that. Oh, he didn't make the team, Kyle? That hurts. He was decent at, LSU, wasn't he? Was he tight end or... I don't know. He looked like a tight end. Maybe he's a big wide receiver. I don't know. That's messed up. Randy Moss's kid should just get him on the squad. I mean, last pack magic, Kyle. Kyle, who's your squad? Is it Washington? Hey, we do what we got to do, Jerry. It ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Whatevs. But Kyle, who you got? You got Washington, right? I should probably know that. I probably do know that somewhere. Going for the Chase Young. We got an Antonio Gibson, but yeah. Browns tonight? Okay, cool. Yeah, we got a decent Baker Mayfield, but yeah. That's right, Jerry. All right, here we go with the Yannick Oh boy, somebody told me how to pronounce this name. This is Ngakwe for the Jaguars. Odell Beckham Jr. Browns. There you go, Browns. Xavier Howard Finns. Michael Strahan Giants. Gosh, look at that muscles. I just went and worked out in the gym. My wife and I were on a mission. But that guy, I mean, how are you going to get to that? I don't know. Right now I'm working with probably the size of his thumb. So got a little work to do. There we go. Chiefs, better late than never with the Patrick Mahomes Chiefs base. Patrick Mahomes the second. Chiefs base. Montez Sweat, Washington. Isaac Bruce, Rams. Christian McCaffrey, Panthers. Hey, yeah, Chris, you talking about Ngakwe, right? I've been working on my game, you know what I'm saying? I got to be professional sometimes. So, and here we go, Hawks. Got you a Russell Wilson base for the Hawks. Look at the guy in the background on the ground trying, oh, if I could just tackle Russell Wilson. That's a good picture. And here we go with Dub Bears. You got a Roquan Smith Grind. Get it. Here we go, Vikes. You got a brilliant card of Adam Thielen. Rack it up. Huh. I don't know what's up with that. And then the last card of the pack is Jason Huntley, Lions, Roker. Oh.
You don't know how to pronounce names, right?
K space Levon. K Levon. K Levon. What did I say? Oh, I said Khalees. I don't remember what I said. Okay, cool. K Levon. I'll have to pay attention to that. I don't even know what it is. Whose name that is. K Levon, Chason. Okay, cool. I do got to get a little bit more with the program on these names. I work with my son on a lot of these because I don't know, for whatever reason, I've just not heard of some of these guys. So, Clavon. Okay. Oh, okay. Clavon is K Levon. K Levon. Oh, really? Oh, okay. That guy with the apostrophe after the K or whatever. K Levon. You guys are hilarious. Here we go with Nick Chubb Brown. Yeah. Red, white, and blue. Anthony Miller, Da Bears. Red, white, and blue. And the Broncos got a rookie, another rookie. KJ Hamler, rookie, red, white, and blue. All right, sweet. So that's the break, guys. If you give me just a moment here, I will secure the cards and then I'll do a recap of the hits. Chucky. Oh, I was saying, Chris, you gotta help me on that. Yeah, but definitely, I appreciate the comments with the name pronunciations because, I don't know, I'm a little OCD on like trying to be correct, and not sound stupid. I don't know, maybe that's the best way to put it. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. So let's review these hits. We did have a good break. Overall, from a breaker's perspective, we got quite a few hits. So, nothing super spectacular like an auto, or like a one of one, nothing crazy like that. But regarding cellos, you are usually looking at like a 99% base build up. So, I don't know about 99. That's a little drastic, but a lot of base cards, obviously. And this is a great way to build those up. So we got a Jalen Hurts Emergent. We got a Tua Green. Deshaun Watson, red, white, and blue. Antonio Gibson, base. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, base. Jalen Hurts, base. Kenny Clark, green. DeAndre Swift, red, white, and blue. Bobby Wagner, green fireworks. Tua, emergent. Roquan Smith, green. Justin Jefferson, Vikes, giddy giddy. Base. We got the Henry Ruggs, the third, red, white, and blue. Jared Judy, Broncos, base. We got the Tom Brady. That's the same image that's in Mosaic, I'm pretty sure. Green. Bradley Chubb, silver. Prizm for the Broncos. Dak Prescott, green. T. Higgins, emergent. Rookie for the Bengals. Baker Mayfield, Browns, green. Darrington Evans, a rookie for the Titans, green. Jacob Eason, emergent, green for the Colts. And Brandon Ayuk, Niners, a base, a rookie. All right, kids, definitely get at tomorrow's auction where we'll do another Cello box. And when I get back from a short spout, I don't know, they call them in Canada holidays. But my son's going back to college soon, so other than tomorrow's break, I'll be off for probably 7 days or so. So definitely get at tomorrow's auction, break of Prizm Cello box, 12 sealed packs. And then after that, I do have the super mother load of Prizm football. So definitely check back on the channel. We'll be going crazy and probably breaking something like 50 cellos all at the same time, something crazy like that. And I do have the megas, the hangers, the blasters, and the gravity packs as well. So we'll just get all kind of crazy. But that's the break, guys. Thank you very much for your participation. I'll upload this video to YouTube later. And I will package up these cards securely and ship them out tomorrow. And as stated in the auction, all the cards that are not base cards will get sleeved, and then all the hits will get cased in top loaders. Definitely get at me on Facebook for messaging. Instagram as well. I've got Athletic Robots. And YouTube. So check out the YouTube channel. Subscribe. Get at me. And the eBay store. Hey, thank you, Chris. Back at it tomorrow, man. The eBay store, Athletic Robots. We've got a break tomorrow, and I've got graded cards on the eBay store as well. So once again, thank you all for your time and your participation. That's all I've got for the evening. So I'll go ahead and get all these packaged up, and that's the video. See ya!